My name is Arnold Archer. I'm the regional manager for the Northern Cape for Weba Chutes Systems and Solutions. Currently, we've got 15 clients in the Northern Cape with just over 700 chutes. Our team consists out of 5 employees in the Northern Cape that's based in the Katu at the Heritage Mall offices. The services that we currently provide is on our clients, we do inspections, routine inspections on our chutes. We provide our clients with reports on the inspections, inspection reports, robot reports. We give them quotes. Once the report is, or the inspections are done, we go through the inspections, we notify the areas of concerns, areas where they need to replace liners or the areas they need to do maintenance on. And then we supply them with quotes for the spares that they need, or if there's additional work that's needed or additional sections needed or modifications to be done, depending on what we see on site. We provide the client with the assistance to obviously get that sorted out and try and help them to minimize big risks and issues that they might experience, specifically with the transfer points on site. These field advisors are quite clued up with what they need to provide the clients with, how they can assist them. We've got a nice team that's based in Johannesburg. That's where our design offices are. The guys doing the designs, the fabrication gets done in Johannesburg, and we function very good as a team. Everyone is involved, and I think when we go to why I believe that Weba Chutes Systems and Solutions needs to be the OEM on transfer points is specifically that the fact that everyone at Weba gets involved when it comes to specific transfer points or specific issues that clients might have. In the industry, you get a lot of guys that come in and they can quote for you to provide you with a solution on something that you might struggle with specifically to transfer points. And then these guys just come in, they make the modifications, they fabricate chutes for you, they install it for you, and then they're gone. And most of the times the clients are faced with issues afterwards. We call it after sales now, that they just don't get satisfied with. And at Weba, what's nice is the fact that we don't just do what we need to do and get out. We're involved with these guys. We spend time with them. We've got field advisors on site. We see that if there's issues, we raise it up. We speak to them, the clients, as well as to head offices, to myself as well, and we try and get involved and solve the on-site issues that these guys are experiencing. And just a bit of background, I was on the other side of the table as well. I was an engineering supervisor at Asma and Besu for close to 7 years. So I've been faced with guys coming in or modifications being done, site work being done, and then being faced with issues afterwards and struggling to get them resolved. So it was nice for me, from coming from that background, to see how things are done and how it should be done. If you provide a service to someone, it should be not only getting in and establishing your network with these guys and providing them with the service, but after sales and after services and client satisfaction is of utmost importance. A recent project that has stood out for me is actually something that's personally very close to heart. It's one of my areas of responsibility at the moment, is Gamsberg mine. Since starting here and going to site, meeting these guys, seeing what they are dealing with every day, the struggles that they have, the chute conditions that they have, and experiencing the fact that what I just said is, you've got guys coming onto site, doing modifications or erecting a plant for you, doing the setup, doing everything, and then they're gone. And these guys got me in. I went to site, I saw that what they are struggling with. Luckily, we had one chute running there already, a mill feed chute, which we did modifications on. We did liner profiling. We tried to give them the best type of liner life out of the liners that they currently run on this chute. to make it more maintenance friendly at the end of the day, to minimize the stoppages that they need to do. But what stood out for me is the project was, they actually came and they asked for a quotation on one chute only. And then one chute became two, two became three, three became four, up until where we're sitting now with quotations on 6 chutes. That we went to site, scanned, did the preliminary designs, sent it to them, got the design signed off, got orders for 2 of these chutes already, along with 4 other chutes that they are busy with placing orders. It's just the whole building up to seeing how you go from coming onto site, having one chute there, helping these guys with issues that they experience, not only going and doing inspections on what you already have there, but going and trying and notifying and seeing other areas of concern and trying to assist them as far as possible to show them that you're actually a market leader in what you are doing. You don't only go and look at what you have there, you go and identify areas that they can improve. They've got a lot of issues that we addressed at the end of the day with designs and making a difference, and that's what sets Weba apart from everyone else, is the fact that we're a market leader in what we do, the design fabrication of transfer points, and all these transfer points, we don't only go and make a sale, we make a client, and we make a friendship, and we form a partnership. And if there's issues, we go to site and we try and sort it out from our side as far as we can. We get the guys on site involved. And at the end of the day, that collaboration and team efforts shows these guys that you're committed to what you're doing and you're proud of the product that you're selling. And I think from a business side, that is where you should be. You should be focusing on making sales, making new sales, getting new clients, but you should make sure that at the end of the day, you keep your clients satisfied. And you can only do that by being involved, first of all, showing passion and commitment for what you're doing, and then at the end of the day, assist where you can.